Hello guys, today we're learning about color and number. Now we start color number 1. Looks cute. Wow, it looks nice. With the number 1 have red. Is it right? Yes, it's red. Oh, it's so nice. Oopsie. Oh, so beautiful, red. Oh, where's more number? Oh, here is number 1. Yes, look nice. Oh, and more. Where? Oh, here. See also number 1. Nice, number 1. Oh, wow, looks nice with the red hat. Wow, Muscle have the red hat. Oh, it's so cute. Can you find more number 1? Oh, it's here. I can see it. I can see it. Oh, Muscle have the, what is that, like the clothes, red clothes. Oh, wow, it's so nice. I love it. You love the color. I love the color. Oh, looks so nice. We can make this plain or we can make a line. Not make it oil. Oh, more here. Is it right? In number 1? I think so. Ooh, look nice. Can you find more number 1? I found it. Inside his mouth has number 1. Anywhere else? No more. So we can do with the number 2, right? Here's number 2. And can you find number 2 on Muscle? Oh, I found it. It's so small. Muscle. See? Look at the color. Muscle have the blue eye. Look, it's so nice. One number 2 here. Ah, so nice. And next is number 3. We are finished with number 2. Start with number 3. Can you find number 3 for me? Found it. Number 3 is here. Oh, can you find more? Ah, it's here. Oh, looks nice. So nice. Where? Can you find more number 3? Now we can change the other color is number 4. Oh, what color of number 4? Is yellow. Where is not here? Wow, Muscle have the yellow necklace. Muscle have yellow necklace. Oh, looks so nice. Wow, and can you find more number 4? Oh, it's here. I found it. It's look nice. And here. Oh, that's so nice. Yay! We almost finished. Now we start with number 5. You tell me what color in number 5? You want to see? Let's see. Let's see first. Oh, it's a pink. It's so beautiful. I love pink. How about you guys? What color do you like? I love pink. Pink, 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 pink. Yay! Look at this! Hi Muscle, you look so beautiful. I love you, Muscle. How about you guys? Do you want more video about the coloring? Just subscribe in my channel. Thank you.